Are you unhappy with anything in life? If so, let me share with you the key to happiness I found. And before you click away, no, it isn't Jesus or anything like that. The key I use is grounded in psychology. It all comes down to understanding the three sides of the psyche and answering one question. All psyches have three ways they can react to things. Two of them are ineffective in the long run, however. They are that bad person and poor me. That bad person seeks to blame others for their problems and complain. This is what ultimately leads to a victim complex. Poor me feels sorry for themselves. This, meanwhile, can lead to narcissism, in that one thinks that their pain is exceptional and they're uniquely damaged and incapable. Neither of these two sides provide permanent solutions. They're like cigarettes or alcohol. They might numb the pain temporarily, but the problem that led to these feelings don't go away. They squander what time we have with unhealthy addictions. If you don't want to align with either of those two sides of your psyche, you need to answer this one question. What should I do from now on? This question turns attention from pain to what can be done. It focuses on what we must do and encourages us to make the best of life in unexpected or imperfect ways. Now, this is a tool to fight negative thoughts, not a guarantee that you'll never have them. Psychology doesn't erase struggle or suffering. Life is suffering. No matter where you are, you'll have a problem in some respect or another, and nobody can reach the summit of whatever they want without going through a journey filled with pain. Life doesn't work that way. That's why it's so important to be equipped with tools to help you endure the pain. Speaking from personal experience, I do this with my dream of becoming a prolific author. To do this, I need a social media presence, something I lack. I've never been one for such things, but I know how important a brand is today. Now, I could curse the world for evolving as it has. However, that won't change my situation. I could also bemoan that I didn't take advantage of so many possibilities that I could have in the past. But this, too, wouldn't fix anything. So, I instead focus on what I can do, such as making this channel. Of course, doing this doesn't eliminate my problems as a whole. Solving one problem leads to more problems. For example, being a creator on YouTube does lead to all kinds of eternal suffering that I actively manage. Case in point, look at my channel and how few views most of my videos have. In the grand scheme of YouTube, I am currently insignificant. There have been times where this caused me to slip into self-hugging and want to curse others for not giving me the small amount of their time, despite the fact that I know I'm not entitled to it. Other times, I dread that I am dull, incompetent, and that I should just give up. That trying was arrogant and delusional. I feel these at times, but I never let either of these voices dictate what I'll do. Instead, I answer, what should I do now? It gives me a constructive funnel for my negativity and gets me working. And doing this work provides me greater happiness than self-pity or blaming others ever has. Here's what we all must keep in mind. Happiness comes from continually solving problems. And true happiness is having and solving the problems you enjoy. That's why I say this simple question will make you happy. It might not be easy, but consistently answering it will shift your mindset to one where you view yourself as capable and the world as your oyster. If this video has given you any value, I'd appreciate it if you could press the like button. If you like more tools and knowledge for overcoming obstacles, I've quite a bit I've already done that you can look through. If you like what I'm doing here, subscribe to the channel since I'm working on pumping out as many videos as I can this year.